Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we can do a hard reset for your JBL Tune 720BT. It's nothing difficult and it's really simple. So first what you want to do is turn on the JBL Tune 720BT. Okay, so right now you're going to see it's looking for pairing. And now what you want to do is hold the minus and the plus button at the same time for like 5 to 10 to 15 seconds. And then it's going to turn off. Now it's set power off and it's going to turn on again. So this is when you know that it has been reseated. And if you want to, you can try it also again. And that's how we're going to reset the JBL Tune 720BT. So if you can have any questions, let me down below in the comment. This was a quick fix for you, so you know how to actually do it. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day and goodbye.